So we got cut off by the alarm people because my alarm went off. It is a custom 10 V8 350. It's custom, all right. Hating those wheels. Hating the wheels, they don't even match. Let me see, we got a triangle one there. We got a circle one there. Let's hope for a circle up front. Nope, that's a triangle. Circle over there, nope, that's a triangle. So we're just all jacked up. Does it even have a spare in there? I don't think so. I don't think there's a spare under there. Nope. Nothing. The exhaust pipe is really close to that tire. I don't know what the hell they were thinking. Probably weren't thinking. So we got a little bit of work to do. I mean, I could probably fire it off, but I don't want to do it with who knows what the hell went down there. Because without that thing being on there, that's ugly. Let's go get a flashlight. So I'm loving these lights in this barn. Oh, don't you wish we had these, Tony, when we were working out here? Oh my gosh. Look at all this light. I got a new rack here for all my trash. Cleaned it up. This one's bright. What we got down there? It's not too bad. Probably take it off, vacuum it out. See what's going on. I mean, why not? Look at this. There's a magnetic light. Thank you, Ray, because Ray got me that. Or Tony got me that. Yeah, Ray got me the one that's on my face. That's on my head that I don't have on right now. Tony got me this one. Thank you, Tony. It's nice and bright. So this is it's gonna be fun, but I wanted to get it out here on the driveway so I could start messing with it, looking at stuff, tearing stuff out, and fixing shit. Like this. That went to the ground on the battery. It's fun stuff. Well, if y'all want me to show you something special about it, just give me a shout on the comments and let me know. We're gonna have a lot of work to do. Yeah, because I can't wait to get started on this. I've been waiting. I've been busy at work. They switched management on us again, and you know, we don't know what the hell we're doing. We need somebody to tell us what we're doing all the time, even though I've been doing it for 30 years. So, you know, and I'm a technology person, and I gotta tell you, I don't know. We'll see what, I kick down cables down. Let's drive shifter right there. I don't know where the, oh, there's the throttle right there. Yeah, that's why it's not hooked up. No vacuum, no throttle. See that right there? And nothing there. So anyway, they think I need somebody to tell me what I'm doing, and I really don't. My guys all work well together. So anyway, we switched management again, and that's number 4 boss for 8 years. And one of these days they'll learn, but I don't think it's going to be while I'm alive. That's okay though. I don't have to know. I'm not going to be the boss, that's for damn sure, because they seem to switch those way too often. And that's what we were talking about. So that's just me ranting about stupid people and stupid things, and stupid is, stupid does, was or whiz kids. That's what they are. It's a pretty good shape hood here. That's why I like this truck. I like the hood. So when this thing is down, Cliff Wilson had one of these. I think this was 71 though. Not too sure. But it might have been this because he only had single headlights. And I gotta look it up. I'm not that familiar with the different styles. I just know what I like, and I like this one with the lights in the front there. Pretty good grill. It's probably gonna be like that until I die. I'm probably not going to do anything with it other than clean it. Maybe take that little dent out there. But I love the way the lines on this thing are, where it just kind of wraps up and goes all the way down the body. So that's why I wanted this one. I bought it before that one was done, but hey, let me show you how we're doing on the motor in case you hadn't seen it. There she is. She's got her heads on. It's under a bag, keeping it all fresh, not all jacked up. And we're going to get back on that this week. We were supposed to do it, but Connor's got work on Mondays where he doesn't want to, he's doing other stuff. So maybe tomorrow we'll get on it, because we got a bunch of stuff over here. We got our lifters, we got our push rods and whatnot. We got all that ready to go. That's the other motor right there. And then we got a bunch of stuff around here. Oh my gosh, I gotta dig through this shit. So Brenda won that for tattooing. Probably this side, there we go. Yep, so we made a gear thing. She's a gearhead, so that's cool. That's my faucet thing I gotta do. Anyway, we're having a good time out here, and I'm glad I could get through this. It's about time. Anyway, I'll catch you later.